Welcome to my new video. In today's session we are going to discuss who is data analyst. What does a data analyst do? And what are roles and responsibilities of data analyst? So let's get started. Who is a data analyst? A data analyst collects, processes, and performs analysis of large data sets. Every business, be it small or big, generates and collects data. This data can be in the form of customer feedback, accounts, logistics, marketing research, and so on. A data analyst is a professional who takes this data and figures out numerous measures, such as how to improve customer experience, price new materials, and how to reduce transportation costs, to name a few. Data analysts deal with data handling, data modeling, and reporting. What does a data analyst do? A data analyst is responsible for collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data that can be used to improve business decisions. They must be able to effectively communicate their findings to those who will make the decisions. Data analysts typically have a strong background in statistics, mathematics, and computer science. The role of data analyst has become increasingly important as businesses have become more data-driven. Data analysts help businesses to make sense of the vast amounts of data that they collect. They use their skills in statistics, mathematics, and computer science to clean and analyze data, and then communicate their findings to those who will make the decisions. Responsibilities of a data analyst. The data analyst designation comes with a bunch of roles and responsibilities. And the first step to becoming a data analyst in understanding the responsibilities of one. Some of the common and expected responsibilities of a data analyst are: 1. Understanding the goal. First and foremost, a data analyst must identify the organization's goal. They must assess the available resources, comprehend the business problem, and collect the right data. 2. Querying. Data analysts write complex SQL queries and scripts to gather, store, manipulate, and retrieve information from relational databases such as MS SQL Server, Oracle DB, and MySQL. 3. Data mining. Data is mined from different sources and organized to obtain new details from it. By doing so, data models are built to increase the efficiency of the system. 4. Data cleansing. Cleaning and data wrangling is the vital duties of a data analyst. The data gathered initially will often be messy and have missing values. Hence, it's crucial to clean the collected data to make it ready for the analysis purpose. 5. Data examining. Data analysts use analytical and statistical tools, including programming languages, for carrying out a logical examination of data. 6. Interpreting data trends. Data analysts use various packages and libraries to spot trends and patterns from complex data sets, thereby discovering unseen business insights. 7. Preparing summary reports. Data analysts prepare summary reports with the help of data visualization tools. These reports guide the leadership team to make timely decisions. 8. Collaborating with other teams. Data analysts interact with the management team, development team, and data scientists to ensure proper implementation of business requirements and figure out process improvement opportunities. And now that you're well aware of the roles and responsibilities of a data analyst, you are ready to unlock the secret, how to become a data analyst. Wait for the next video.